Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete the history in Mozilla Firefox web browser. So first you just have to go to the Firefox web browser. So delete the history in Firefox web browser. You just have to go to the right corner here in the three-line menu here. So you just have to click the three-line menu here and you have to find the options option here. So you can see there's a options here. You just gear icon like, so you just have to click the options here. After opening the options, in the left menu here you have to click the privacy and security option here. Click the privacy and security option. After clicking the privacy and security option, you have to scroll down and you'll find here history. So there we can see an option called clear history. So Firefox will remember your browsing down from search history. So you just have to delete the history. You have to click clear history, and you can choose here time range to clear. So you can choose to last hour of your history, or you can choose last 2 hours, last 4 hours, or 2 day, or everything. So if you choose everything, then you can choose the cookies, cache, or browsing and download history. So everything from search history and browsing and download history will be deleted. So you can also choose the site preference and offline and set data. Site preference mean the password or the things that is saved in site preference. So it's not important. So you just want to delete the history from your web browser. So if you click OK, it will just take a second, I think. Yeah. So the history from Mozilla Firefox web browser is deleted. So you can see if you go to the history here, you can see the recent history is empty. So all the history in the Mozilla Firefox is deleted. So this is a very simple tutorial for you guys. Hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.